In a world where knowledge is the key to the future, the time has come for a true test. Only the bravest will accept this challenge and find themselves among the academic mazes and challenges of student life. Welcome to Kharkiv Polytechnic, where the future of geniuses and great inventors is born. Here, every step will lead to new discoveries, and every victory will bring you closer to your goal. Become an applicant who is ready to go off the beaten path and take the first exam with courage. Or choose the path of a student who has decided to conquer all the heights of knowledge and achievement. Explore and reveal the secrets of each building. Leave your footprints in the evening building. Listen to the echo of the main auditorium. Discover the possibilities of U1 and U2. But don't forget, the main battle will take place in the field of knowledge. Take exams in programming, math, physics, language, and overcome all the challenges like a true student and future master of your craft. Your story in student history is just beginning. Step into the world of knowledge and experience, where every day is a new page in the great book of your future history. Student history, where you determine your future. Accept the challenge and become a legend of your time. Get ready for the adventure of your life. Student history, become a part of history. Start your epic journey now. Develop a skill that is furious. Student history, where student life becomes an exciting adventure.